Hello there, lovely people. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the nitty-gritty of keeping your digital life safe and sound. Today, we're talking about IDShield and whether it's worth your hard-earned cash. There's a special IDShield offer linked down below. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. Go on, have a cheeky peek. It might just be the best decision you make today. The internet is brilliant, innit? But it's also a bit like the Wild West for your personal info. Scammers, hackers, data breaches. The threats are real and ever-present. But don't worry, IDShield is here to protect you from the nasties lurking online. Think of them as your digital guardian angel with real-life licensed private investigators. They keep their eyes peeled for any suspicious activity, scanning the internet and your credit. If the worst happens and someone nicks your identity, IDShield's team of pros will sort it out. Imagine that. You with a cuppa while a real investigator cleans up the mess. Bliss. Plus, they throw in extras like a VPN, antivirus, and a password manager. Bonus. IDShield has a plan for everyone, even covering up to 10 kids. It's a comprehensive solution for all. Don't forget to click the link below for your special discount. Stay safe out there. Click the link below for your discount.